If you want to remove people from photos on OnePlus 15, then first of all, we're gonna go to the Photos app, and after that, we're gonna, of course, open the photo that we wish to edit where we have people. Tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen, and then we're gonna choose the AI editor. The AI editor should have the AI eraser, so let's select it, and then we can select remove people. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and then the gallery should be able to pretty much highlight everyone that you probably want to remove. And if that's the case, then you can tap on remove all option over here, and that's pretty much it. So now let's wait for the selected people to be removed. There we go. And it still needs to do some fixes probably. It takes a little bit longer than usually, but there we go. All the people are gone, and of course we can see the comparison, how it looked before and after. So after that, we can just tap on done here in the bottom right corner if you are satisfied with the result. Done again, and of course we're gonna save our photo. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.